So our agenda for this session is, again, we're going to do practical demonstrations and use cases for the updates. Okay. So right now I'm going to give you a rundown of the things that we're trying to do. For example, number one is vertical scrolling, and all of this, all of this will be covered on this session. So I hope you had a great breakfast, because it's going to be a little bit of a long one, around 45 minutes for each of demonstration. So I'm just going to share my screen on the other tab, and you would see that I'm logged into my Adobe Express account. And in Adobe Express, you would see one thing that's very significant na binago nila throughout the lifespan of the service or the website. Before, if you're a long time Adobe Express user, you would see that all of your files is um, within this range of the section of the page. Right now, the recently used files is already at the top, or almost middle of the interface, and you could see some of your recently used projects. If I click on the view all files, this will jump into your stuff, when you will see all of your files, just as easy as that. Before, kasi dati nasa ibaba siya, mahirap siyang hanapin. Right now, it's much more accessible to use. So that's one thing. They have recently repositioned the recent files, or recently used files, or your files, on the top priority of the page. Okay. The next one would be, I'm going to open a Express file on which a new feature, o yung bagong feature na ito, ay dinagdag nila through almost a week ago, or last week lang nila dinagdag. So I opened a multiple page document on my Adobe Express, and you would see these are some of the posters that, or YouTube covers that I'm trying to build right now. So it is around 16 pages. And before, if you notice that if you double click on one design, you have to do the left and right navigation for the next page. But right now, there is a new option for you to enable vertical scrolling, on which it's a natural flow of using the application para makita nyo yung iba mga pages. Okay? So, where is it located? If you click on the page, or the navigation or the view options here, this is the part where, if you click on that, you would see another option, which is the vertical scroll. Okay. So if I click on that, you would see that this will significantly change, and if I scroll using the natural gesture, you would see that this is now vertical scrolling. And you can also have access to all of your pages as a thumbnail view here. So if I click on that, it will jump automatically from that page to another page. Easy navigation, new features on the user experience to make it better. Okay. So again, this is vertical scrolling that you can enable if you go to the view options and check on the vertical scroll.